In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate videos into multiple languages with ElevenLabs. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a single video into versions for different audiences, all inside the ElevenLabs interface. Start by opening your web browser and searching for ElevenLabs. Click through to the official site. On the home page, look for the login button and select it. When prompted, enter your login details, then click login again to access your dashboard. Keep your credentials private and make sure you're on the official domain before signing in. Once you're in, head to the dubbing section. This is where all translation and voice transfer features live. Click Create a Dub to start a new project. You'll be asked for a project name. Choose something descriptive so you can find it later, especially if you plan to produce multiple language versions. Next, set your source language to match the language spoken in your original video. Then choose your target languages, which are the languages you want ElevenLabs to produce. Select only the ones you need to keep processing time and cost efficient. If your content includes specialized terms, keep that in mind for the editing phase. Upload your audio or video file as the source. Clean, clear audio yields the best results. So if your file includes background noise or music that overpowers speech, consider using a cleaner version. After uploading, check the box beside Create Dubbing Project. This ensures the platform creates a structured project where you can review, edit, and export. Click Generate Dub to begin processing. Depending on the length of your file and the number of target languages, this may take a moment. When it's ready, open the project and click the three dots to reveal more options. Choose Edit to enter the script editor. Here you can adjust the script if something was misheard or a term needs clarification. Fix brand names, acronyms, and technical phrases so the translation reads naturally. Check segments for timing and punctuation as these influence delivery. If previews are available, listen and make small tweaks until the phrasing sounds right in each language. When you're happy with the results, click Export. A confirmation will appear. Click Export again to finalize and generate your files. The platform will prepare your dubbed outputs for download, save them to a clearly labeled folder, and you're ready to publish or share. That's it. Your video is now translated and dubbed into multiple languages using ElevenLabs.